Hello everyone. Today I want to show you something that's changed not just how I work, but honestly how I see my career. Just 3 months ago, I barely know anything about no code automation and AI agents. I started from scratch with N8N and few AI tools, building basic automations, playing around with simple workflows, and just exploring what was possible. Fast forward to now, I have gone from beginner to building advanced automations and powerful AI agents. I'm not just learning, I'm growing fast. My no code skills have exploded, and so has my sales. Yes, I'm actually making money helping others automate their work. Now you might be wondering, why should you care about AI agents and no code automation? Let me show you something.
Agents sitting on top of tools. Agents using the opportunity for agents is gigantic.
Agents. Hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents.
This is an unbelievable change coming to the world.
We're not adding any software engineers next year because we have increased the productivity this year with Agent Force to the point.
Aren't talking enough about.
The world is waking up to this stuff. More and more businesses are hiring for no code and automation skills, and AI agents are showing up everywhere from startups to big tech companies. And it's just not me saying this. Check out what some of the top influencers in tech are saying. This is the future, and the best part, you can get it on today, even if you have zero coding background. This is what I want you to know. If I can do this in just 3 months, so can you. You don't need to learn Python or be a developer. With tools like N8N, Zapier, Go High Level, Make, and AI agents, you literally just drag and drop and connect the dots. If you can use Excel, you can automate your work and build AI-powered solutions. So let's jump in. I'm going to walk you through 10 amazing automations you can build today with zero coding. For each one, I will break down how it works, show you a visual, and explain how it can help you or your business or your clients. Let's start with something super practical. Imagine your inbox but on autopilot. This is how it works. Whenever you get a new email, maybe from a client or a potential customer, N8N instantly picks it up. It passes the email to an AI agent, which reads this, figure out what it is about, and actually writes a smart, human-sounding reply. Then N8N sends that reply back from your Gmail or Outlook completely hands-off. This matters because it saves you hours. No more typing the same thing again and again. You're free to focus on work that actually matters, while your inbox basically runs itself. Now let's talk about social media. Maybe you want to grow your brand or just keep your LinkedIn active, but don't have time to post every day. With this workflow, you can set up a daily or weekly trigger and it and ask the AI agent to write a post. Could be about your industry, a trending topic, anything you want. If you want images, N8N can generate those too using AI. Then it posts automatically to your LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you want it to get posted. Now, if you're a creator, you will love this one. Every day, this workflow generates new video ideas for you based on your niche. It sends those ideas to an AI agent, which writes a complete, ready to record script. Everything is saved in Google Sheets, so you have a content pipeline on autopilot. No more staring at a blank page, no more creative burnout. AI is your new co writer, and it never gets tired. Smart lead qualification for sales. If you do anything with sales or lead generation, pay attention to this one. When someone fills out a form on your site or sends you a message, N8N picks up instantly. The agent analyzes the message, asks follow up questions if needed, and actually qualifies the lead. Are they interested, ready to buy, or just browsing? All the info gets logged straight into your CRM or Google Sheets, ready for you to take action. That means your sales process runs 24/7 and you never miss a hot lead. Next one is AI appointment scheduler. Scheduling meetings is a pain, right? With this, your clients or leads can request appointments via form or even chat. The AI agents check your availability user the AI agents check your availability using your Google Calendar, books a slot, and sends the confirmation email or SMS, all without lifting a finger. Your schedule fills up while you sleep. Seriously, once you try this, you will never go back. Customer support chatbot. This one is for everyone who gets repeated questions from customers. Connect your WhatsApp, Telegram, or even your website chat to an intent. When a customer asks something, the AI agents figure out the intent and respond instantly. You can log all interactions for later review, but most of your FAQs get handled automatically. It's like having a sport team that never takes a break. Number 7, personal daily summary. Ever wish you had a personal assistant? Every morning, N8N pulls your calendar events, local weather, and latest news. It sends all that to an AI agent, which summarizes it into a friendly email. You start your dot totally informed with everything in one place. It's your daily heads up before you even grab your coffee. Number 8, content repurposing bot. Got a great got a great blog or a video, but no time to repurpose it? Just drop your blog link or YouTube video, and it then gets a key point. AI writes them into the tweets, LinkedIn posts, or newsletters, and it can even auto post them for you. One piece of content now works everywhere with no extra work. Number 9, automated invoice generator. Let's talk about money now. Everyone loves money. Input your client details and N8N generates a professional invoice PDF. The AI agent writes a personal message and the invoice goes straight to your client email. You can even track payments or send reminders automatically. No more templates, no more manual work, just fast, error free billing. Last but not least, smart notification system. Finally, this one's a lifesaver for any business. Anytime something important happens, a sale, a new sign up, or even a website error, N8N triggers an AI agent to format the alert and sends it instantly to your phone via Telegram, Slack, or WhatsApp. You are always in the loop, no matter where you are. Look, I started all of this just a few months ago, and if you would told me that I would be building real solutions and making sales without writing a single line of code, I probably wouldn't have believed you. But this is what's possible with no code automation. It's honestly never been easier to automate your work, start a side hustle, or even launch a business. If you want a step by step guide for any of these automation, just drop a comment below on which one excites you the most. And if you're new, subscribe because I'm sharing real world automations and AI agent tutorials every week. Check the description for workflow diagrams, templates, and a link to my beginner automations community. So, what are you waiting for? Start automating. Your future self will thank you.